Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. In this episode we're going to replace the tap spout and the tap. So we have the new tub spout. The only thing we need is just the flathead screwdriver. That's the old one. The only reason we are going to replace it is because right here you cannot change it to the shower. All the time the water is coming from here and you cannot switch it to the shower. That's why we are going to replace with the new tub spout. Alright, so we are using a flathead screwdriver. Basically the screws right here, we just have to open that. Alright, so it's open. The second part, we just have to twist it and pull it slowly. There we go. So right now we are going to install the new tub spout. We don't need anything else for this. We just have to do the same thing like when we twist it and pull it, but right now we are going to just slowly push it in and twist. Sometimes you don't have to twist it, you just have to push it and then it goes. Alright, so let's see. Alright, it's straight now. We're going to tighten the screw. Okay, perfect. Everything looks good now. But as far as the replacing for the tub spout, I'm done with this. The last thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to apply caulking around here to make it a little bit more beautiful. Alright. I'm using this Quick Seal Plus, the caulking, and it's white. Thank you for watching everyone. If you guys like my video, please subscribe and like the video.